Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove card details from Talabat app. If you have saved a debit or credit card in Talabat app and no longer want it linked to your account, you can remove it from your saved payment method. Now, deleting a saved card helps to keep your account secure and ensures it won't be available as a payment option for future orders. So here is how to get it done. Launch the Talabat app on your Android or iPhone and sign into the accounts where the card is currently saved. From the home screen, just go ahead and tap on the account tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you'll find your account settings, orders, addresses, subscriptions, or payment method. Now scroll until you find Talabat credit, because it is here that you find your payments methods tab or option. So once you tap on Talabat Credit, you see that this page displays all the payment methods currently saved to your account. Let's say you placed an order and you entered the payment details. Here is where you find it. This is where your payment method is saved. Or let's say you added it and you added another, or you changed to a new payment method. You'll find it here in this first category under payment method. Now, if you have multiple saved cards, make sure that you select the correct one from this window under payment method. So once you select the correct one, look for the remove card, delete or trash icon and tap it to begin removing the card from your account. The wording and icon may vary slightly depending on your app version and region, but the option is available from the Save Payments Methods details screen, which is here. So once you tap on remove card, delete or trash, a confirmation message may appear asking whether you're sure you want to remove the card. Tap confirm, yes or remove. Once confirmed, the card will be deleted from your saved payment methods and will no longer appear during checkout. So once you're done, return back to this payment method page. Check that the card no longer appears in your list of saved payment methods. If it has disappeared, it means your card details have been successfully removed. If the remove or delete option isn't available, you can try to update the Talabat app to the latest version. Ensure there are no pending or active orders using the same payment method. And if the card is being used for an active Talabat Pro subscription, update or cancel the subscription before attempting to remove it. You can also try to restart the app and try again. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.